Following the suspected dengue-related death of a 5-year-old girl in Rumdamol, a team from the National Center for Vector-Borne Diseases Control visited the site. Unsurprisingly, they found the area, which includes Panchayat, Comunidade and houseboard land, littered with garbage and stagnant water. NGO, Goakan and the local Panchayat were also present for the inspection. Here's what Kalpana Mahatme, Deputy Director of the NVBDC, had to say.
ही आमची कमिटी आसा, कोर कमिटी म्हणून. ही आमी खंय आमकां प्रॉब्लेम आसा, खंयच्या एरियान आमकां प्रॉब्लेम आसा. लास्ट टायम आमी कन्स्ट्रक्शनाचेर प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो, थंय गेली. ताच्या पयलीं आमकां हाजेर IDC इन द युनिट्स scrapyard we had problem, but now we realize that there is a problem in Rumdamol because of the garbage, and unfortunate incident has also happened here in this area just facing this. So amka popat ashile actually health officer, he has written so many letters to the panchayat and but now we have realized that some of the area is under housing board, which we were not aware. So now we are going to issue health officer of Purtorin will issue this to the housing board. There is panchayat also. There are a lot of houses which have been come, tenants are there, and the doors are locked, so we do not know whether there are any barrels inside with open which are open, which could be breeding. And there's a lot of garbage and all thrown here, where there could be collection of this rainwater. And for dengue, little, even 5 ml of water is enough to breed, and we can get hundreds of eggs in that. Mosquito can lie, and there may be a lot of cases. And here, since there is a lot of clustering, congestion in this area of people staying, you can get an upsurge because dengue the cases don't happen isolated. They are always happen in clusters, and here there is a lot of congestion. So he is going to write today to Panchayat so that they take action on these tenants, whether there are tenants are being given license to stay, and the garbage, because there is a lot of garbage even here. Even the unused the vehicles are there, and there are tires on that, so which can, just now we saw one tire which is positive. So all these things we need to take care at the earliest, because just now the month has started of anti-dengue month has started. So we need to take action on this.
See, today the core group of the National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program from DHS is here for a site inspection. The core group has been tasked by the Health Secretary to conduct time to time inspection where there are serious problems. And we have come here today in the background of the fact that a 5-year-old girl had expired to be considered to be a suspected dengue case. Now, as we have seen today, there are multiple issues. Issues in the sense there are the land where I am presently standing in the background. Part of it is with Comunidad, part of it is housing board, part of the panchayat. So we are here to look at what can be done, what needs to be done. And our recommendations of this inspection will be go so that the appropriate authorities first are petitioned under Public Health Act as to what is their responsibility and jurisdiction. Based on that, after 30 days, we will again take the follow-up. We have also seen here there are many people living in small rooms. There are chicken places operating on the footpath. Now, these are things that Panchayat has to act on. Therefore, we are looking forward that Panchayat in the next fortnightly meeting also will address the issue. But it is becoming very clear that if there is garbage and dump like this all over the place, abandoned vehicles, etc., it is not a shocking and surprise to see that this kind of a incident has happened where a poor child has lost her life.
इन्स्पेक्शन करतना कळून आला की हांगा 3 लोकांची जमीन आसा. एक पंचायतीची आसा, गोवा हाऊसिंग बोर्ड आसा आनी कोमुलदाद आसा. आता पंचायत कितें आहा, आपले जमनीचे सगळे वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट ते मॅनेज करून ते कायदेशीर उडयता. आता जाता कितें मेन आज गोवा हाऊसिंग बोर्डाची वेकंड लँड आहा. लोक कितें करता, रातच्यान येवन चोरेनी ते कितें गार्बेज डंप बिंप करून वयता. ते तेन्ना आमी तो कंट्रोल करपा जायना. दिसाचे हाल आमी कशे पण हँडल करता, आनी लोकूय कांय खबर नासता राती येता आनी उडोवन येता म्हणल्यार हेजेर आमकां येता. आज इतलो व्हडलो एक धाकले एक भुरगो एक्सपायर जाला, हाची सगळे ब्लेम पंचायतीचेर येता. आनी पंचायत आमी आमचे कडेन जाता तशें आमी सगळे कंट्रोल करता. आनी लोकांनी मातशें चिंतपा जाय कितें तुमची गार्बेज कशी आसा कशी सेग्रेट करून ते उडोवपा जाय, आनी चोऱ्यांनी हांगा थंय उडोवचें न्हू. आतां आमी कितें करता, आतां गोवा हाऊसिंग बोर्ड बी हांचे आमी कॅमेरा बसोवन थंय लोकांक हें करतले, आनी कोण सापडटा तांकां आमी फायन दितले. आनी जे लोक इलिगली कितें करता तेंच्यार आमी स्ट्रिक्ट कारवाई करतले आनी मेन जाता तितले आमचे रुमावळ आमी क्लिनिनेस करपाचे आमी ट्राय करतले.
Ramesh Naik Raut, Subhashish Govekar and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.